Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of missed abortion, also called missed miscarriage. You can see the uterus having a pregnancy of about 14 weeks. The placenta is anteriorly attached. This is the fetus, and this fetus has no blood flow, no fetal movements, or no cardiac activity visible. This is the fetal head, and it shows is mild edema on the soft tissue edema on the fetal skull bone. Although a variety of terms are used to describe early pregnancy failure, the presence of clear-cut sonographic evidence that a non-living embryo is present, the term embryonic demise should apply. Ultrasound diagnosis of miscarriage should only be considered when either a mean gestational sac diameter is equal to or more than 25 millimeter with no obvious yolk sac, or a fetal pole with a crown-rump length of equal to or more than 7 millimeter without evidence of fetal cardiac activity. Transvaginal ultrasound is the mainstay in the diagnosis of miscarriage. So there is no blood flow seen inside the fetus, and no fetal cardiac activity is visible with no fetal limb movements. You can see there is no fetal cardiac activity. A missed abortion is a non-viable intrauterine pregnancy that has been retained within the uterus without spontaneous abortion. Typically, no symptoms exist besides amenorrhea, and the patient finds out that the pregnancy stopped developing earlier when a fetal heartbeats are not observed or heard at the appropriate time. An ultrasound usually confirms the diagnosis. In addition to signs of fetal life on sonography, subchorionic bleeding is an important factor affecting the outcome of gestation in patients with clinical threatened abortion. The most common causes of first trimester spontaneous abortion is fetal chromosomal abnormalities. While most practitioners wait until at least 6 weeks to perform the first ultrasound, the gestation sac can be seen as early as 4.5 weeks. After the last period, heartbeat can be detected as early as 5 to 6 weeks, though it might not be possible in all the cases. But this is a pregnancy of 14 weeks where fetal cardiac activity must be seen. So a missed abortion is a missed miscarriage in which the fetus didn't form or fetal demise had occurred, but the placenta and embryonic tissues are still in the uterus. It is known more commonly as missed miscarriage. It is also sometimes called silent miscarriage. A missed miscarriage is not an elective abortion. Missed miscarriage means that the baby has stopped growing, as you can see in this case, or there is fetal demise, but there are no miscarriage symptoms such as bleeding or pain. It can also be called delayed miscarriage. Some women do not experience any symptoms of miscarriage at all. However, possible miscarriage signs besides bleeding include mild to severe cramps, pain in the back or abdomen, loss of pregnancy symptoms such as nausea or vomiting, white pink mucus discharge, passing tissue or clot-like material. To make the diagnosis with ultrasound, the findings may include but not limited to the absence of fetal pole, lack of growth or fetal pole with no evident cardiac activity, lack of yolk sac at the appropriate gestational age, D-shaped yolk sac or placental separation. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.